Auto provision facilitates users to configure IP phones in bulk right in the web interface. This feature saves time substantially when a large number of IP phones need to be configured. At present, the feature supports several major IP phone brands like E-Link, Snom, Polycom, Cisco, Ezdirect, Grandstring, eSIM, and Fanvil. Phone provisioning provides PNP mode and DHCP mode. Let's see PNP mode first. E-Link and Snom IP phones support this mode. Before configuring an IP phone, please log in the interface of the phone and make sure that PNP has been enabled. PNP configuration is generally enabled by default. Go back to the phone provisioning page. General settings for E-Link, general settings for Ezdirect, and phone book, if needed, have to be configured before provisioning. The data created will be sent to IP phones together with the provisioning data. Click the refresh button under Not Configured Phone. An IP phone that are connected to the system will be found. Choose the IP phones and click the button Configure the selected phones. Select the MAC address of the phone. Phone type, line, and extension. If you are configuring E-Link phone whose firmware subversion number is higher than 70, new config should choose Yes. But only the Mypbx whose firmware subversion number is higher than 17 has this option. If you cannot have new config chosen due to low Mypbx version, upgrade firmware to the latest version. Configure the rest of the options as needed. Click Add. Other IP phones we have selected are configured in the same way. Click Save and reboot the phones as the prompt says. After the phones restart, open the line status page. We will find the phones were registered successfully as the phone icons are blue. We can also upload a configuration file. Configuration files in the format of CFG are supported by Mypbx. Contact your phone provider for details of creating a configuration file. Configuration process in DHCP mode is the same with PNP mode, except that PNP does not need to be enabled. But Mypbx has to be the only DHCP server in the local network, and the IP phones must enable Obtain an IP address automatically. DHCP of IP phones are generally enabled by default. As DHCP is all set, auto provisioning can be conducted next. Under DHCP mode, you can also upload a configuration file.